Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Git conflicts with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your local repository using the cd command. Ensure you are on the branch where the conflict occurred. Run git status to identify the files with conflicts. Open the conflicting file in your preferred text editor. Look for conflict markers, which indicate the conflicting sections. The markers will look like head, == and branch name. Edit the file to resolve the conflict by choosing one of the changes or combining them. Once you have made your edits, save the file. Return to your terminal and run git add filename to stage the resolved file. Next, commit your changes by running git commit. Craft a commit message that explains the resolution. Run git log to ensure your commit is recorded. If necessary, push your changes back to GitHub using git push origin branch name. Confirm that the conflict is resolved by checking the repository on GitHub. You have now successfully fixed your Git conflicts. Continue working on your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.